Easy build, Rick. Rick, why do you have blood on your pants?
I was trying to enjoy the sunshine skating in the car park, learn some new things, doing some freestyle. I was doing my little wraparound thing Andy Anderson taught me. Land here, boom, board to
We
the
had
chin.
to rush him to the hospital yesterday. I was like, oh.
Mowgli's my EMT driver, rushed me to the hospital.
You know, now that your chin hurts, your jaw's gonna hurt for a while. It might, you know, further your American accent.
Hanging out with the Australians was good. It got me inspired to try to keep my accent more.
All right, well, whoa, where did this box come from?
What do we got here?
Hey,
Shout out. Chin
easy
guard?
stitches, easy stitches.
Is it a chin guard?
J. Vladimir.
Pronunciation. That was solid.
Someone catch it. Yeah. I mean, that was a great catch, but Ricky went right in front of the camera and could not see anything. Someone catch it! Oh, watch the chin!
Go long, Gabe. Oh, uh-oh. Open this side. Letter is right underneath. Oh!
Show off the note reading skills.
Okay. Hello, Jay again here with my third You Make It We Skateboard. Wow. The first two were the Hotel Pan skateboard and the VHS skateboard. This is the Rollerskate skateboard.
Ooh.
It's not the best looking board, but it'll work. It's pretty dang heavy, but a few friends have done kickflips on it. Play a game of skate with it and have fun.
Wow.
Jay, Oceanside, California.
Oh! Yes!
That makes sense. Look at how beat up it is.
Look at it. It has the brakes. See it?
I could trace with it.
Oh!
Lies.
Tail slide that, JD.
Be safe, JD.
Kickflip?
Oh! No. Oh!
There we go.
Go, I might need you to varial flip this for me.
I got you.
Whoa!
Whoa! Drop in off the stopper.
Oh, gosh.
No, not yet. Go like that.
He makes everything look so scary.
Yeah, it looks cool when up from the side how the wheels are just all four in a row.
Where you going, Mo?
Sideways, like the ripsticks.
Oh, you know what you can do on this board?
What can we do?
Look, 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 look.
That's what I was gonna go for.
Oh, I thought you were going like this.
Oh, no.
That's what your attempt looked like.
Oh, watch the shin.
Is it a back 50 or a back tail?
Back 50.
Back 50.
do a back 52
Oh! Hey, real eyes, real eyes, real lies.
I like how you know that quote.
You think you can manual with this thing? Let's see how it pops first before I try anything. Oh, that's heavy.
Ooh. Dude!
Wow. Never works out that well. That felt good. You have to be even more precise with manuals, otherwise you scrape. Let's try down this bank first.
Wow, he's a magician.
That was sick. Mowgli said try to nose manual up this thing.
Oh yeah, you got that.
I don't know though. Look, it's like half the clearance of like
Yeah.
a regular skateboard. Should I just try
Safe,
it?
slide to home base. No test, only. Yeah, see, you got it.
He's gonna get bodied.
Oh, I told you weren't gonna get bodied.
You're right. I might still though. Oh. That's kind of sketchy. What do you think, Gabe?
I think you're a good man.
I think you're a good man too. I think you're a good.
Brother!
I interrupted my own sentence with that.
What have you done?
Sorry, YouTube. Anybody else want to try?
I never rollerbladed before. I don't know about a nollie hill.
I know about it.
That counts. I just want to keep them alive.
That could have been the best, worst nollie heel I've ever seen in my life.
Get bodied.
Graceful body right there.
Shout out, Gabe.
Glow kept him alive for me.
I did keep him alive for Gabe Crew 01.
Oh!
I want to hit a board slide. Well, no one's even utilized the stopper yet. Chris is doing manual. I want to see some stopper action. That's actually kind of scary. Alright, whoa, I better brake. That actually feels so weird. Dude, you could do a sick line. You're just going real fast and then you just go. Yeah. Like you could loosen these, right?
They're loose.
Woo. Let's go to phase 1 of my idea. Board slide in here, and then we'll go to phase 2.
Just split your chin open, right?
How you doing? That's a nice shirt. That's an old school one.
Ricky doesn't like it.
He doesn't?
No.
I do like the newer Braille shirts better than this one, but it's still nice. Maybe because I haven't seen it yet. I don't know.
You know the level of accuracy you need to have for this?
Yeah, we got it. Look how cool that looks. And then you're just gonna be like locked in.
Oh.
Yeah, you got Look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
It's in there.
Wait, I know where the good wax is. I don't want to get wheel bite. Wax here too.
I can't
I think
prove
this
that.
board was created
Because
exactly
look,
how-
That's just a
there's the
theory.
truck base right there. There's the
That's just a theory, Gabe.
Without proof, it's just a
I
theory.
will fight you guys.
Dude, that worked. I kind of want to hit that now. Or should we hit the long one and try to lock in all the way down?
Probably the long one.
All right. Remember, this is only phase 1 of my plan.
I got an idea. So you board slide this one, right?
You board slide right here. We have 2 rails for this one. So you board slide and you enter this one. Does that make sense though?
How you doing today, Glove?
I'm doing perfectly fine. I hope you're ever watching this. I hope it's sunny on your side of the day, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. And Rick's about to have a wonderful day. He is waxing up the beautiful handrail. Check him out. Oh, yellow dog?
You talking back, JD?
Rick's got some attitude today. Ricky broke his chin and said, today I'm feeling different.
Feel different. Is this gonna bend? Let me think about this.
Perfect. And then we get the
That's gonna be
circle.
slick. I'm gonna slip out.
Whoa.
How about we just do the original board slide first, and then we up the ante? Yeah, I think safety.
He's not. He's
Look how slick that is.
not thinking
All
about safety.
right, no, I'm thinking safety. I want to be leaning back and just chilling.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, safety.
This is very safe.
No.
Pull
We
this
had
one
it.
back. Pull this one back.
It's because now it's uneven.
There you go.
I need some popcorn right now.
I told you the circle rail originally.
No, we just gotta go this way.
Whoa, Rick, what is going on?
I don't know where's the safety.
Rick is thinking anti-safety today.
He's like, I survived. I could survive anything.
He said, I am a survivor. Really thinking safety today.
Got this.
I mean, he's got a busted chin, but other than that, I think he's fine.
You're right. Blood on the shorts. Yeah, just know this is 3 rails. We normally go with 1.
When you're right, you're right.
He's not thinking
Watch this,
safety
slip
anymore.
back.
He's thinking smartly now. Can we like put the mattress down right here on the first try, just so we can?
Thinking some safety, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice mattress, by the
It
way.
really makes me sad that my best trick ever done on any skateboard was done on a mattress.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was pretty sweet.
We're already bent
Oh my gosh.
to the bone.
You did fully bend it. I did not think that would bend.
You did not think that would bend?
No.
What are you thinking at, Gabe? Whoa, thank you.
I'm thinking safety.
Nothing like when the homie waxes the rails for you. I love that.
Oh yeah, Rick.
It's a long way out.
It's a long way out, brother.
Looking real nice. Oh, he gets slick there. Yesterday when I was getting my chin stitched up, I was just like, I can't wait to hit these 3 rails tomorrow. I just need to really be going forward and just try to slam forward.
Rick!
We're chilling. It's dead stopped. Dead stopped. It's funny, like the part that I was most scared of is easy, and the easy part is hard. Should I just wax the wheels?
No.
Alright, leave in the comments below if you ever done this. You wax the wheels, then you try to skate. It's actually kind of fun. But because these are the middle wheels, I don't think it will affect me that much.
Good roll up. Whoa! Think speed.
Oh, as they're bending, it's locking way nicer. That bit's real good now. If you know what this is for, let me know in the comments.
Whoa!
Watch that trajectory. A little bit of a shimmy, but I think that's a make, right?
Yeah, just one and done.
I don't have to be the operator, but this is my master plan. Homie sent us roller skates in a skateboard, right? We've been skating the skateboard as a skateboard. But what about we skate the skateboard as roller skates? Clean cut here, duct tape to the feet. Let's go.
Let's get it. Fantastic idea that Chris would be.
I'll try it.
Can you make that, Mo?
Make it, I'll skate it.
Wait, we have a saw.
On the rail's probably good. All right, do it on the rail, man.
Yeah, we have a saw, dude.
Saw means rail in America, yeah? All right, let's cut it with the saw.
Wait.
Oh! Look at that precision, Chris. Look, and now we just tape them on. Oh, good. Yeah. All right, who wants it?
Whoa! Find the position in which you want.
These skates are too big for my feet. I don't know.
Look at that build. Easy build, Rick. I've had car washes with less service than this. Hey, I'm roller skating here.
Does it feel secure?
Not bad.
We have liftoff. This is where you cue the elevator music.
Never run with scissors, Rick. Dude, please take this down to 5. So roller skating, same thing.
Yeah, so this will be natural.
Let's get it.
Yeah!
Is that Steve's or what? How do you go? This is what a duck feels like.
This one I did first?
Okay. All right, let's try and go up this way.
Look at that form, Rick.
That looks very good, Gabriel.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
What does Aaron always say? Get comfortable riding first. Let's take a joyride out there. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see some speed.
Need for speed! Need for speed!
That probably looks so ridiculous, honestly. The trucks like turn, like it's weird. Should we go get bodied real quick?
Yeah.
That was unbelievable. I love the technique.
Oh no!
The shins were
He
in
rolled his
jeopardy.
ankle. He landed like sideways. Bend the knees.
Should we hit the 5-star? What do you think?
3 block.
What? No. Oh, dude, I feel so ridiculous, like jumping the 5 with these things.
We out here.
Bend the knees. Yeah!
Like I was saying, I basically lost balance right before I jumped. There, you like off balance right here, off balance.
Yeah, but you landed.
When I landed, I was like, that was the worst run up too.
Y'all want to see body? You're about to see it.
Back nose one.
Nah. What about mini ramp? Mini ramp.
Yeah, let's go to the mini ramp. Starting to get acclimated to these new, whatever you want to call them. So I want to try and drop in, maybe 180, and then like decker to fake. Oh! Hold on, I gotta just drop in and just go for it. Oh, these work pretty good.
crazy. It's like that's what they're made for.
It's like they made it for that specifically. First try, let's go.
Oh, look at I'm all dusty.
I want to try and manual the box. I don't even know what happened. I think my ankle's dead now. I thought you could just ride through it. I think I can do it. Big shout out to all the professional heel users out there. I respect it much more now. That was extremely fun. Thank you, Jay, for sending in this amazing You Make It, We Skate It. He said, hey gang, could you please play a game of skate? And we said, oh, cool, roller skates? We will roller skate. But seriously, that was really fun. I really enjoy these cool boards. See what that gang can come up with. That was an amazing adventure. If you have a You Make It, We Skate It, you can send it to us at that email right there. And guys, that is it for this video. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. And we want you to let us know what crazy things should we do next. We're having a bunch of fun making these videos for y'all. Want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need on the Braille skateboarding app and the Braille Army Plus membership. You!